My name's Joe and I'm the in-house sound person here. Like I teach people how to use the equipment and be a bit of a bouncing board for their ideas creatively. The Courtyard studio is a space and a program run by the City of Swan Libraries. And essentially, if people have a passion for music but don't have the access to the gear or the skills that's required, they can come here and get access to that and learn the skills for free. If you're interested in recording your own song, we have all the gear here that you need to record it and mix it and master it. So you can sort of walk away on a USB or a CD with a completely finished song of your own. If you want to have the studio booked out just for yourself, you can come in and record your music with me or by yourself if you know how to use the gear. And on Friday afternoons, we just have like a sort of casual hangout and jam where there's quite a range of people. You know, some guys have been playing guitar for a long time and sometimes people are just starting out. And yeah, if you're interested to meet other people that are playing music, we offer that here as well. Come here with an attitude to learn about how to record music and how to master music. And if you already know, just come to hone your skills a bit more. The Courtyard space, I guess the goal of it is to be a hub of creativity in Midland. So if you're a creative person that's interested in not just music but a wide range of things, I think Midland Library's probably a place for you.